What is up, my sugar cookies? It is me, Kenny Girl 123, aka Cassie. And so today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing the what's in the bag / box challenge type thing. Woo! So let's go ahead and get started. There are 5 different items in this bag that really mean a lot to me, and I'm wanting to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that we got in here is this. It's Hetalia Singing in a World. The script that I translated all by myself. It was very difficult and it took almost 6 months. And I'm so proud of this, and this is so important to me. And it's going to be a constant reminder that I'm not giving up. I'm gonna bring it to the USA. And it's just super important to me. So the next thing is this, and it's a Hollywood Wax Museum thing. I went there back in 2016, and I went there with Candy Mom, and these are some photos that were taken of us, and these mean a lot to me because my mom is my everything, and I love her to death, and these photos just really show how crazy and fun it was. Okay, so the next thing, this is a pair. So it's these two guys. This is Baby Jaguar and Hetalia. So they have traveled with me ever since I got them. When I got them, I was like 3, 4, maybe. But these guys mean a lot to me. They travel with me and they keep me safe. They help with my anxiety. And one is wearing a mask because of the Backstreet Boys reunion tour. So it's super kind of funny. She was wearing a mask, but she didn't like it. But she's vaccinated, I promise. So the next thing that's in the box is this giant fluff ball. Yes, he fits in the box. This is my service doggy buddy. Many of you guys know him. Go follow him on Instagram. But this is my dog. He's everything to me. He helps my anxiety a lot. And he's just the cutest little boy ever. And he's a good friend. He's a good friend. The last thing is this. And I know it doesn't seem like much, but this represents something very important to me. My grandma, who has passed, she was my best friend and at times my only friend. And right before she died, she told me she would come back as a butterfly. So butterflies mean the world to me. So that is it, and that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, give it a like, but that is optional. Go ahead and subscribe to me to be part of my sugar cookies, because who doesn't love sugar cookies? Crazy people do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Stay sweet, my sugar cookies. Peace out.